This is the Samsung Fascinate, and in this video we're going to take this phone apart so we can replace the damaged screen. First, remove the back cover from the phone. Next, remove the battery and the memory card if you haven't already done so. Next, remove the 6 small Phillips screws as being pointed out here now in the video. Using a safe open pry tool available at repairsuniverse.com, slide it along the sides of the phone, releasing the clips. This will allow you to remove the back bezel from the phone. Next, using a safe pry tool, release the screen ribbon from the motherboard. It's just a pop connector and we should easily pop off. Next, using a safe pry tool, start to pry out the glass from the frame. It is held to the frame with a bit of adhesive, so it will gently need separating. If you are having trouble, you can use a hairdryer or heat gun to warm the glue first. Release the top and then the sides because the bottom is still stuck to the button sensors. Once you have eased off the glass from the frame, you now need to pry off the buttons from the bottom of the screen. The buttons are held to the screen with 2 dabs of glue. Ease the buttons off slowly and gently so not to cause any damage. Once released, you can remove the screen from the rest of the phone. You can now replace the screen.